This video will teach you about some of the key components of Task Lighting's Neon Top Bend and walk you through the installation process step by step. Neon Top Bend lighting is just 4 millimeters tall and flexible like tape lighting, yet it is a completely dot-free continuous lighting. Neon Top Bend is available in soft white 3000 Kelvin and cool white 4000 Kelvin. Neon Top Bend can be connected in two main ways. First, by using the factory wire lead. Simply connect it to the power input wire using a wire-to-wire connector, being sure to maintain polarity. Match the red or positive input wire to the red input wire on the lead and the black or negative input wire to the black input wire. The second way is to use the light-to-wire connector, which is designed to be used after the Neon Top Bend has been cut along the designated cut lines. This connector has two pieces. The clear plastic piece slides over the end of a section of Neon Top Bend that has been previously cut. Once in place, the clear plastic piece with the Neon Top Bend inserted pushes down onto the white connector attached to the wire lead to make a secure connection. Make sure you line up the positive side of the Neon Top Bend with the positive marker on the connector to maintain polarity. The end of the lead wire has a screw terminal wire-to-wire connector, pre-installed for easy wire joining. Simply connect to the input wires, again being sure to maintain polarity. An end cap is available to cap the other cut end if it will not be connected to another section. When jumping from section to section of Neon Top Bend, you can use the light-to-light linking connector. This connector connects to the Neon Top Bend in the same way as the light-to-wire connector does, with the same clear plastic piece and white receiving piece. Do this on both sides to join your two sections. If you need more distance than the light-to-light connector offers, we recommend instead using two light-to-wire connectors and joining them together. For connecting cut sections of Neon Top Bend together with no interruption, use the connector. This simple connector works in the same way as the linking cable without the wire in between. Just slide the cut sections of light into the clear plastic pieces, making sure the positive and negative sides line up with each other. Then push them down onto the white base piece for a secure connection. Neon Top Bend can be mounted in any of three ways. First, there is an adhesive backing installed on the back of every roll. This can be used to mount the Neon Top Bend by peeling it away and adhering the lighting in place. We recommend using this adhesive even if you use the other two installation methods, as it makes for a great primary or secondary fastener. The next installation option is a mounting clip that can be installed with a single screw. The Neon Top Bend lighting pops right into this clip. Finally, there is a loop fastener that can be installed over the top of the Neon Top Bend with a single screw to help pin it in place. To install Neon Top Bend, start by planning where your power will be located. For this installation, our power is located above the cabinets. First, plan where your wire will be run and drill 3/16" holes accordingly. For this installation, we are running power from the top of this wall cabinet down, exiting at the front bottom corner. Connect wire to your power supply or wireless receiver if you are using one, being sure to maintain polarity. Red to positive and black to negative. Run the wire through the holes you drilled. It's best to pull some extra through for easy connection, knowing that you can tidy everything back up later. Cut the Neon Top Bend to a size that best fits the installation location. We will be cutting two sections for this installation that match the two wall cabinets we are installing into. For this installation, we are using the factory wire lead at the end of our Neon Top Bend to connect to power. We will make sure the input wires are stripped back about 1/4 inch, then simply use the connector to join the input wires to our wire lead by pressing down and sliding the wires in. The connector can be secured in place with a single screw to ensure it does not hang down. To jump to our second section, we will use the light-to-light linking connector. We will make sure our cut ends are matching polarity, positive to positive and negative to negative. Then we will slide the two cut ends into the clear plastic pieces and then press those pieces down onto the white receiving connectors. With everything connected, it's time to peel away the adhesive backing and stick the lighting in place. Make sure your installation surface is clean to ensure permanent adhesion. You could easily use the loop fastener to hold the wire connectors in place for your installation, but for our installation we will simply use wire staples. We will then tidy up the rest of our wires with the wire stapler, hiding everything out of sight. The installation is complete. These cabinets will now have beautiful continuous illumination that also manages to be extremely low profile.